DJN TV. Openly, Benue State Governor Samuel Otom finally declares his support for the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi.
This is not about party. I am not a Labour Party, and I'm working for Peter Obi. You all know that I'm also contesting the election for the Senate, and I have people who are contesting for governor, for House of Assembly, for House of Reps. Those ones, for easy coordination and cohesion, please vote my party. Now for president, vote Peter who? Peter who? Peter who?
It's a town hall meeting for stakeholders from the 276 council wards of the state at the instance of the Inter-Party Advisory Council in support of the Obi-Dati presidential aspiration.
I appreciate you all for towing the same line. Presidency, if you make comparative analysis of the three front runners, you will discover that Peter Obi's quality is outstanding. He has the capacity by education, by strength, by character, and that is why you heard the other two candidates insulting themselves. This one will insult this one, tomorrow another one will insult another one. But have you heard anybody insult Peter Obi? Peter Obi fears God, and he will do the right thing for our country, Nigeria, and advance the economy. Peter Obi will provide security. Peter Obi will make sure that we sleep with our two eyes closed. These unnecessary killings that are going on in our country will stop when Peter Obi comes in. So, I appreciate all of you. You have heard him. If time will permit, before the election, he will still come, and your coordinator will still come.
Overwhelmed, I'm surprised, at the same time I'm happy. I may as well say I am not too surprised. The reason is that when you look at the character of the person of Mr. Peter Obi, presidential candidate of Labour Party, you will now understand why I shouldn't be surprised. Because among the three front runners, whatever way you want to qualify, Peter Obi stand out in terms of character, in terms of capacity, in terms of credential, and in terms of performance, even from previous experience as a public servant. And then when you go about the so-called Emilio Call, if we are talking about fairness, equity, justice for Nigeria, the person that seems to be shouting Emilio Call today, as far as I'm concerned, is Peter Obi. Because other zones, as it were, have tested this thing except the Southeast. So when you look at it, you will begin to say, yeah, what is happening today in Benue especially, it is the demonstration and the character of the people of Benue, especially our governor, that believe in fairness, that believe in equity, that believe in justice. And that is why he is known today as the voice of the voiceless and the defender of the Benue Valley. Because he has remained outstanding in defending this valley and the weak. So that is why you see what is happening here today. If you have noticed, you will discover that the people that came out here cut across party line. It's a demonstration of the support of Benue to Peter. We have come to realize and understand that this is not about party, this is not about religion, this is not about ethnicity. It is about the man that is qualified to do the job. And that is why you see Peter Obi is enjoying overwhelming support in Benue State.
His body language had in the past shown that he was better inclined to an Obi presidency. He, however, left no one in doubt with today's outing.
The PDP have failed Nigerians. APC have failed Nigerians. Political parties have failed Nigerians. Even the local party have failed Nigerians. So we must look at individuals, those people who can deliver. Those people that can provide equity, fairness, and justice. Those who can lead with the fear of God. Those who will revamp our economy and make sure that our youth receive gainful employment.
That's not the Nigeria that every one of us want. Enough is enough. And I tell you today, it is no longer business as usual. It is now business unusual. The sea finish whether they see give us. Tell them which way it will stop.
Sort of criminality, sort of non-fuel, sort of price increase, sort of electricity. Poverty, that is the culture we want to throw away.
Let them know that no Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian.
We will stop the stealing and start the giving. Travel to the world because we need not to kill the rise of the man. Then the country will continue away.
The change is in your hand. Get your PDP and let the march to the change.
DJ ATV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ ATV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.